Welcome to Cigars with M. Today's topic is how to use a Select Draw tool. Select Draw was released in 2018 by Mark Austin. Mark created this tool as a solution to his wife tasting too much tobacco with his straight cut. This tool enhances your draw, along with serving as a cut by itself. Select Draw is available in many colors and sizes for your preference. Here is my preferred method with using the Select Draw. Grab your cigar and cut it. Taste the cold draw. Grab the Select Draw tool. Place 3 holes on the left side and 3 holes on the right side. And then light your cigar.